I'm still working on this battery operated clock. This is the original backing to the original movement that the circuit board is broken in. This is the new backing to a movement, and as you can see, they're totally different. So I had to grind these posts off to make it look like this one, which is basically flat with the bottom of the case. This is called a beat amplifier. I bought it back when I was the chairman for the Big Country Watching Clock Collectors in Abilene, Texas. And it basically does several functions. You can hook up a speaker to it, and you'll hear a beep, 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 or you can watch that light right there. That tells me that this is working. However, the hands are not turning. The newer clock movement shaft is not long enough to go through the clock itself. So I had to take the shaft, the minute arbor, the minute wheel, which is this wheel right here, because this wheel is not long enough to go through to work on the other one. I thought about drilling out the holes for the other, for the case itself. However, the hands don't fit on the new movement. Again, I don't like working on battery operated clocks. They are a throwaway type of clock, and most people do throw them away when they quit working. They don't want to pay a clocksmith to repair the clock. And why can't they? The old movement versus the new movement is designed differently. Why can't they, if they're going to go to a cheap throwaway movement, why can't they make them all the same so you can rob Peter to pay Paul, so to speak, to get them working again? Back cover is different. As you can see, in this old movement, this gear's down here on the bottom left-hand corner. On the new movement, the gear's in the top left-hand corner. The old movement, the plastic is flush. The new movement, the plastic pinions and bushings are above the bottom of the case. So this is moving. This says that it's working, but the hands aren't moving. So I've wasted, probably worked on this clock for maybe 2 hours. And that is with buying a new movement. So I don't like working on battery operated movements. I don't like battery operated clocks. I like the old, even the newer clocks that are a manual movement. These things can be fixed and repaired all the time. These battery operated movements are cheap throwaway type movements, and they, technology is changing all the time, but sometimes change is not good. I hope y'all are enjoying this video. I might have to order a different movement with a longer shaft, the same size diameter as the older movement, so the hands will fit on. So we're not done. I don't give up that easily. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.